Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a permission letter for sports. What is a permission request letter for sports? A permission letter for sports is an official letter written and addressed to the senior authorities in a school, requesting permission to be exempted from the regular schedule to participate in sports practice. Permission letters help you attain the approval of authorized personnel to your request, either at school or a workplace. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a permission letter for sports step by step. Check this out. First thing first, you need to write the date of the letter. When you write the date, it is good to use the format of month, date, and year. After that, write the information about the recipient of this permission request letter. You must write the full name. Under it, write the occupation in the school or institution. In this case, the letter is addressed to the principal. And write the name of the school or institution or organization. Under it, write the address or just write the state since you place the letter directly on the principal's desk. And now, write the subject of the letter. Simply, you can write permission letter to play sports. Sure, you can make it specific like football or something. And now, open the letter with salutation. You can write Dear Mr. or Ms. or Mrs., followed by the last name of the recipient or the principal. In the first paragraph, introduce yourself. When you do it, mention your full name. Besides your name, you must also mention what class you are studying in. And of course, mention the name of the school too. In this example, the writer's name is Master Anthony Harold, who is studying in Class 8th of Willow Heights High School. After that, tell the recipient the reason why you are writing this letter. You can simply tell the recipient that you write this letter to inform the recipient that you are selected for a competition or champion in the field of sports. And mention the name of the championship or competition. In this example, the writer have been selected to play football for the state's championship from the recipient's school. In other words, you can say that you would be representing the school. And you would be competing with other international schools. Yes, mentioning the competitors here is important to convince the recipient that you need serious practices. And after that, this is the time for you to request for a leave. You can write that you will have to double up the practice. And mention also how you should dedicate more time for this championship or competition. Simply, write that you request the recipient to kindly grant you a half-day leave for 5 days. Of course, you can ask your coach about it, about how many days you need to practice and ask for a leave. After mentioning the number of the days off, write when you need to start it. You can write the day, as well as the date, by including the month, date, and year. In this example, the writer needs to start the extra practice starts on Monday. From November 23rd to 27th. You have to write the details clearly here. In the second paragraph, talk more about the championship or competition. Here, you must tell when it will happen. Yes, mention the date. In this example, the writer tells the recipient that the championship is on 28th of November. And of course, you need to ask for a day off on this day. Just tell the recipient that you need to prep up for the same. After sending your request messages, you can then try to convince the principal that you will catch up on the academics. This will help your request to get accepted by the principal. So you won't make the principal worry about you leaving class and about your academics. Yes, you must promise not to let the recipient down. And you can give a closure like you hope to get a positive response from the recipient. And finally, close the letter with "Thank you." Write "Yours sincerely," or "Best wishes," or so on. Add your signature, and write your full name under it. Write also your class. So, that's how you write a permission letter for sports step by step. I hope this video helpful for you. Thanks a lot for watching and supporting this channel. Good luck and see you soon.